Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and key levels to watch April 24, 2026. In the last trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle closed at $7.82. On the weekly time frame, the stock is in downtrend, forming lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. On the daily time frame, the key support level is $7.22. If the price goes below $7.22, it could test $6.14. The key resistance level is $9. If the price breaks above $9, it could test $11. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.